Hey guys, it's me, saying yay. I would like to welcome you back to my channel, all about me. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and I don't know, just get to know me. I'm some person. But I'm not perfect. I'm still working towards my goal. I just want to, just show what I'm looking like. So when I do come back within maybe 2 months after I'm hitting it hard in the gym, I can show you like the difference. And you guys are like, oh my gosh, she worked so hard. But here we are. It's me being real, honest. No editing, no waist trainer on, nothing. Anyway, this video is going to be a little bit different. Usually I do like fashion, makeup. We're going to do more so a talk segment all about keto. I know there's 1,000,001 keto videos out there, so I'm not going to try to ramble too much of what a lot of people already went through. I'm just going to basically tell you about my experience, the things that I would suggest you do or don't do, and the struggles that I endured during keto. And just to let you know, I am not the perfect keto. We're gonna skip all that. We're gonna specifically talk about the benefits of keto and how I think it affected me. Okay, the symptoms that I had. Okay, let's say I started 4 months ago, and what made me decide to start is, of course, I wasn't a great eater already before keto. I would say I wasn't huge because I did already lose quite a bit of weight because I started from 198 and I worked at FedEx. I was a delivery driver. I was moving around a lot and I lost my first 20 pounds doing just that. That was 2 years ago. And I was stuck literally at 172 between 175. I was in and out the gym. I was trying all type of things. I tried to go vegan for 2 weeks. That didn't too much quite work out for me. I probably lost like 4 to 5 pounds. What else did I try? I tried some weight loss pills. Can't really think of the name of them right now. I wasn't too good at taking pills, so that was out the door for me. I'm not a good pill popper. What else did I try? I tried the, what do you call it? The lemon tea diet. No, it's not the lemon tea diet. Excuse me, guys. The apple cider vinegar diet. That wasn't too great for me because they said, oh, you gotta drink a cup in the morning and then a cup before you go to bed. I will always remember to do it in the morning when I first wake up, but taking it before bed wasn't for me. I'm not a good scheduled type person. Oh, I did intermittent fasting also right before I started keto. I was going to Florida and I intermittent fast for about, I want to say 6 days prior to me leaving to Florida. And this is all 4 months ago. I did lose about 7 pounds, but I gained it right back. Like with intermittent fasting, I feel like that's more so for like if you're trying to lose a quick pounds, because it's like your body is not going to continue to do that. It's like your body's going to basically like put all that weight back on. So that wasn't too great for me. So what made me decide to finally start keto, I kept hearing so much about it, just as you was doing, looking at YouTube videos and watching YouTubers talk about keto, made me finally make up my mind to start. And I did my research. I'm like, you know what, that's not too bad because I still can eat meat. I can have butter, I can have all these things. Only thing that you cannot have is those carbs, like potatoes. I love mash, I love French fries, I love any form of potato. That's the hard part. I can say if you can dedicate yourself to keto within the first month, no cheat days whatsoever, I feel like you can do it, because within that first week, I'm like, oh my God, I can't do it. I want some potato, I want some French fries. All the people around me was eating all these good foods, and we was going to restaurants, and I'm like, I'm about to give up. And it's like, I just kept fighting for it, like looking in the mirror every day. I'm like, okay, I gotta change, I gotta change. So 2 weeks with me into keto, I started feeling like the keto symptoms. I don't know if a lot of you have had keto flu. I was going through the keto flu. I was literally also waking up at 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning every night. Like, it was starting to turn into a pattern for like 2 weeks straight. I was just waking up just sitting there like, oh my God. And I looked it up. I was like, oh, keto. What else was I doing? My bowel movements was different. Some days, like when I first started, actually, it was like more so like more fluid. No, it's like a disgusting topic, but I'm just being real. Then like after 3 to 4 weeks of me being into keto, I was more so constipated. Like it was hard for me to go. I was still drinking plenty of water. I wouldn't say I was drinking exactly a gallon a day. I was drinking maybe about 7 or 6 water bottles a day. I was trying. I was hitting the gym hard at least 3 times a week. I met up with a trainer and he got me started on the way. Prior to that, before I started keto, I really wasn't working out. So I could say like working out too, along with keto, helped my weight loss. Just more so the bowel movements, waking up in the middle of the night for about 30 to 40 minutes at a time, not being able to sleep. Anxiety, I was having bad anxiety. The keto flu, like I was like sick, like runny nose. I just like the flu symptoms. Then after that month time frame went past, it's like it was a breeze after that. Like my body was so used to it. My metabolism was like, psh, like you got this. So I can honestly say once you get past the first month, like you guaranteed got it in the bag. And after the first month, I literally lost, I'm gonna say 11 pounds. And I got on the scale, I'm like, oh my God, I did it. I started seeing it. But once I got on the scale, I'm like, oh my God, I did it. Let me keep going. Like it just made me want to go harder. Okay, within the second month, I probably had like 1 cheat day. Now let me tell you, the third month is when like, I think I got a little comfortable. I started having like cheat day, like maybe once a week, twice a week, here and there. And then I was drinking and stuff. Like I would say not have a life like every Saturday or every other Saturday. I will only have Jose Cuervo because tequila doesn't contain carbs, I believe. I might be wrong. And I also read up that it's a good metabolism fighter, tequila actually. So you can have like dark liquors that has carbs and other stuff and high in calories also. But 3 months into keto, I was like just eating all over the place. Like I eat for keto maybe 3 times out the week. The next 2 days, I'm like, oh, it's my cheat day. And I was just getting too comfortable with those cheat days that I just like kind of messed up. So like I went all the way from 172 all the way to 148. I jumped back up to 155. I literally started keto again 1 week ago. And it's just like I was too comfortable to where I was doing a cheat day all for a whole week straight. And it's just like I'm basically starting over now because I feel like if I do one more whole month, I can lose that 6 pounds. I'm only really trying to get to 145. Like I start off at 170. So I think 145 is great for me, being that I'm 5'1" and a half, 61 and a half inches. So my goal now is just really to tone up and just go hard in the gym, like take it one day at a time, not trying to be the perfect, like, oh yeah, you know, all slim and lean. I said I kind of like to be a little thick at the bottom, so I'm not really complaining about that. But if you want to try keto, it's awesome. You get really fast results. You just got to stick through it. Like I said, the first month, just keep going at it. Guys, you got this in a bag. I just want to, basically share my keto experience with you guys. I hope you all like this video. I hope I didn't ramble a little too much. I'm trying to keep it short. I love all you viewers. Hopefully I get more subscribers. Just grow with me. Subscribe again and peace out.